Well, I tell you what we can do. We're going to do a little research right now. Research can go a long way in court. All right, now this can help you a little bit longer. Lori is here with us, as she is from time to time. Lori's a very good attorney, and we're going to tell you how you have to do some homework, right? Because I know you say, obviously, you should know your lawyer.
Right.
You know, I mean, that makes sense. And so you should find out who's representing you. But now you're saying about you ought to know the other lawyer, too.
You should know both. I mean, one of the things that I suggest to people, even before they hire me, is go watch me in a courtroom. See how I conduct myself.
Oh, not just look you up online and whatever.
Exactly.
Actually observe you in action.
Exactly. Because I'm kind of shy and retiring.
Sure you are.
Exactly.
Yeah, I noticed that. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. But really, you want, and the other thing that you should do, I mean, this is a, you know, when people are getting a divorce, it's a very important time of their life. And what I find is, I recommend to my clients, go sit in a courtroom. It's an open courtroom. Anybody can sit in there and watch the judge, watch your attorney, get a feel for what's going on, because everybody, you know, has their own little idiosyncrasies.
All right, so you have your attorney. You've hired your attorney. Now you should
do it before.
Huh? Well, you do it before that. Let's say now you got the attorney, and now you want to go and, like you mentioned, observe the judge as well.
Absolutely.
Do you know what judges you're going to be in front of
yes,
before that too?
You do.
So you can do it?
And you should do it way ahead of time. As soon as you're served with your divorce papers or you file, you're assigned a judge. You have 10 days in which to say to yourself, ooh, I don't like this judge. Now, I think in San Diego we've got a very good mix, but if you walk in a courtroom and you just don't get a good feel for this judge for whatever reason, you can say, I don't want this one, give me another one.
So you watch that body language. If you see the judge looking at the defendant and going, then, you know, you might want to pick a different judge, right?
Really not good sign.
I know a judge that did that once. Nobody else was looking.
Oh, really?
Yes, I do. Someday I'll divulge when he's completely retired. But anyway, so, and the other attorney as well. So did you make a decision? Now, you consult your own attorney and say, you know, what do you think about this judge?
Absolutely.
I don't like him or her. And what is the other attorney? What's your take on the other attorney? And my take?
You know, like I said, I think in San Diego we're very lucky right now. As a matter of fact, I'm not trying to be sexist, Joe, but right now our presiding judge is Lorna Oxney. She's a female. She's beautiful. She's brilliant. And I think she adds a different dimension. Just like you, Christy, and you are on together, it gives, you know, kind of that both feel, you know, male-female. I think that's really important to have both aspects. Sure. I also think you need to consider, you know, if you're a male or female, which attorney you'd prefer. And it may even be a sex-linked thing. You'd rather have a male or a female.
Okay, yeah, whatever you're comfortable with and who you think will do better for you. Sure, well, of course.
We like each other. I like you.
Yeah, I would pick you as an attorney.
Thank you.
Yeah, because, you know, I'm not sexist. I would prefer to have, matter of fact, that's true. I think I'd prefer to have a female.
Good, good.
All right. Lori, thank you so much. There's the information. Law Office of Lori Clark Viviano. All right, and I'm going to tell you one thing right now, my dear friends. We will be right back with San Diego Living. Now, do not go away.